Hi, I'm Steve at the Carmichael workshop. Today I'm going to try to turn my very first bottle stopper. At the recent woodworking show in Atlanta, I stopped by the stainless bottle stoppers booth and just flat out told them that I've never turned a bottle stopper before and I need help. They made it really easy for me by giving me this 5-pack of Made in USA stainless bottle stoppers. They gave me the drill bit I need and a mandrel that fits my specific lathe. They also gave me these threaded inserts that are good to use on wood that doesn't take threads very well, like Spectra ply, multicolored plywood. And they gave me all this stuff as long as I would share a video of me making my first bottle stopper. They also set up a friendly competition between me and Kenny over at Freeman Woodworking to see who can turn the best bottle stopper. No pressure or anything, right? Well, here goes nothing. I think this is a chunk of pecan that's been laying around the shop for years, so I'm finally going to use it. I'm not sure how it will turn on the lathe, but it looks really cool. So I'm just going to chop off a blank from the end of this and then cut off the corners to save some turning time. This mandrel just screws onto the lathe, and it comes with self-tapping threads on the end, which save a step. You don't have to use a tap. And this washer just helps to get the bottle stopper off easier when you're done. Now I just need to drill the perfect size hole with that drill bit that was provided into my blank. The tailstock up to hold it steady while I turn it round and down to size. I set up the tool rest, make sure it's not hitting, turn it on just to test it. Everything sounds good. So let's turn this bottle stopper and see what shape it wants to be. Finish the bottle stopper with some Doctor's Woodshop Pins Plus. Alright, I picked this shape out because I thought it went well with the shape that this turned out to be. And it should just screw on if I did everything correctly. Oh wow, this stainless bottle stopper actually makes this look good. Well, that was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be, and it was a fun and quick project too. If I can do it, you can do it. If you're interested in starting bottle stoppers, just head over to stainlessbottlestoppers.com where you can check out all of their different attachments and accessories and starter packs that will help you get started quickly. Also, make sure you follow Stainless Bottle Stoppers on Instagram because they're going to be doing a giveaway for a starter pack soon. And they're also going to ask you to vote on whose bottle stopper you like best, either mine or Kenny's over at Freeman Woodworking. We both just turned our first bottle stoppers. We thought about auctioning these off for charity, but we haven't worked out the details. So I'll announce that over on Instagram whenever we do that. I'll put links to all this stuff in the video description below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click that subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to go back and check out my previous project videos as well. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. I'm starting to wonder if I'm the only one who never has wine left in the bottle.